So today, weather is cold out there, which means it's pierogi season. I've got 2 boxes of these classic onion ones and 2 boxes of these 4 cheese medley pierogies. To that, we're gonna be adding an entire box. This is 4 cups of chicken broth. This is such an easy recipe to make for the colder months. So filling. I love pierogi season. Do you have a favorite pierogi filling? Let me know. I've got some Polish kielbasa here. Just gonna cut these up. And that goes on top of those pierogies. And then I've also got some beef smoked sausage. This is so good. And you can honestly use any kind of smoked sausage or kielbasa that you'd like. I'm gonna cut this down the middle. These kinds of one-pot meals are so great. So we're gonna cut those up and we're gonna add that to our kielbasa as well. To that, we're gonna be adding a block of cream cheese. I've gone ahead and cut these into strips. So you can just kind of put them in between everything. And it'll melt faster this way as well. Once we've got the last bit of the cream cheese, we're gonna top everything with a 2-cup bag of this marbled cheddar. You can use sharp cheddar if you'd like. I just like having all the different cheddars in one. Spread that around, and then I'm gonna add just a little bit of salt. And some cracked black pepper. And then cook this on high for 3 hours or on low for 6. Well, take a look at how steamy it all is. We'll go ahead and mix everything together. If you're gentle stirring, it's gonna make this creamy sauce. Goes all over the kielbasa and the pierogi. Okay, once that's all mixed together, you can take it to a potluck just like this. Just add a little parsley to the top. Make it look really pretty. Let's go ahead and grab some pierogies and some kielbasa. That looks so good, guys. I love pierogies. These are so good. You need to make a batch.